Greetings, everyone. I hope all of you had a really enriching time and knowledge enhancing experience as part of this 4 days workshop, which was conducted by Asian Development Bank in collaboration with NITI Trade and Commerce Vertical. This has been a rare opportunity for all the participants here to learn and understand the nuances of the multi-region input-output tables in general, and also this ADB's particular data set and model and the framework that has been particularly developed in the recent years. This has several applications, as you have already gone through in these 4 days. Lot of different policies can be analyzed using this framework, and one can explore a lot of very complicated policy situations, analytical, strategic analytical aspects using this data set. While this is mainly meant for policy level analysis by policymakers, policy analysts, and so on, I also see that this can be equally relevant for the industries. For example, a company which produces some commodities, let's say cars, they have to purchase inputs from different places, and the patterns of their purchases from different places of different inputs may be somewhat aligned with the national level average that is captured by the MRIOT tables. So now if they want to take into consideration some kind of supply chain recalibration, some kind of resilience initiative and so on, they can use this framework and do some analysis to understand where are they sourcing things from, where else can they source it from, what would be the impact of the change in sourcing strategy, and so on. So this is just an example. However, there can be several such applications that can be done, and I would encourage all of you to not only make use of this in the short term, this analysis for your research, your analytics, your strategic decision making, advising, consulting, and so on, but also keep using it in the longer term, because several models, methods, data sets, techniques, they are going to be useful only in as much as we keep using them for various purposes. The moment we stop using them, it is quite likely that we will lose the knowledge, the experience, the skill, and and also the deeper nuances that exist there. So I would humbly appeal all of you to take this opportunity to learn this further, take all the readings that are available and learn this further, and stay in touch with the group of participants that have joined in this, so we can have some peer discussions and reviews and collaborations and so on, and also stay in touch with the ADB team and also with our NITI Aayog team to use all these tools and methods for your day-to-day analytics and decision making and research and so on. We'll be very happy to be of any help in this regard, and my best wishes again, and my heartfelt gratitude and thanks to the ADB team for taking all this effort to deliver this session, this session of these different sessions basically, and also thank my team, Vishnu Das Gupta and others, Kannan, Aparna, Arpit, and others, and our NAC team, our IT team, Mr. Sundaram and others, for their hard work and dedication to make this happen. And this was a very long undertaking and difficult challenging undertaking, and given that this was planned in a relatively short notice, we started planning only a few days ago. I'm very glad that it has concluded on a very positive note. Thank you once again, and my best wishes. Please keep using this, as I already appealed, and I look forward to reading many papers, notes, analytics, and so on coming from this group, and all the others who are participating on this offline after the videos are uploaded on YouTube. So all the best to everyone, and I'm sure you all find it as helpful as I found it myself. Best wishes again, and thanks once again to ADB team and my team at NITI. Thank you very much once again. Best wishes.